My name is Fırat Erpolat. I am the general manager of the Makers company. Our company is an engineering company focused on factory automation, especially in home appliance industry, like bonding systems, welding systems, assembly, and pick and place transfer systems. We are using the ENCY software in this project. We are transferring the CAD data to the robot data with this application.
My name is Ozan Aydın. I am working for HAYAT Chemical for 6 years. In hygiene industry, we are making the sanitary napkins and baby diapers, we can say. And also at the other categories, we are producing paper towel, tissue towel, and something like that, tissue. In detergent side, we are making liquid and powder detergent. And we are also manufacturing our own flexible packagings and nonwoven in the facilities. We are using the ENCY software with Makers on this project to make some patterns on sanitary napkins to see what seems in the end product in sanitary napkin. So we are giving the pattern to the program, the ENCY program, to give this data to robot, and we saw the end product at the end.